Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro direct app weekly on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about FxPro Direct. Here in this page of app info you click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.